Natterjack on the track. Yo, the Natterjack Toad don't jump, he runs. Natter, natter, yo, natter, natter. The Natterjack Toad don't jump, he runs. Natter, natter, yo, natter, natter. The Natterjack Toad, this toad is rare. Not any old toad, they can't compare. I got short legs, so I don't jump high. I run instead, watch me shoot on by. Got a yellow stripe all down my back, and poison warts to deter an attack from creatures who'd like to make a snack of this toad they call Natterjack. Yeah, I got my name from my natter sound. My natter natter's heard for miles around. Amplified by my vocal sack, I natter, natter, natter on the natter track. The Natterjack Toad don't jump, he runs. Natter, natter, yo, natter, natter. The Natterjack Toad don't jump, he runs. Natter, natter, yo, natter, natter.
The Natterjack Toad hibernates.
I spend my winter in a sleeping state. Under a stone or wood is best. A dark, damp spot where I can rest. In spring I wake from my slumber, crawl on out from where I was under. I eat reptiles, moths and wood lice. That might sound gross, but I think it's nice. A few more facts for your journal. The Natterjack Toad is nocturnal. Sandy dunes and marshes are where I'm found. You just gotta follow my natter sound. The Natterjack Toad don't jump, he runs. Natter, natter, yo, natter, natter. The Natterjack Toad don't jump, he runs. Natter, natter, yo, natter, natter. Yo, with the Natterjack on the natter track. What a toad, what a toad. The Natterjack, yo. Natterjack on the track. Yo, the Natterjack Toad don't jump, he runs. Natter, natter.